In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a variable in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do is whenever you have selected an object over here, so for example, if I select this image, this button, or this text, I can just double click on it, and as you can see over here, it's going to go into layers, and over here I can see my variants, and up top, I'm going to get a new button next to CMS, which says variables. So to create a new variable, click on variables, then of course you can learn more over here in case you're interested, but then to create one, just click on this plus button, and then here it's going to allow you to basically go ahead and select what variables you want to create. So I'm just going to go ahead and create plain text over here. You have to give it a name. I'm just going to name this one tutorial. You can also give it a description, and then the default, the placeholder, and then your text area as well over here. And basically just by doing this, you've successfully created a new variable over here inside any of your objects and things you have selected. So that's how to create them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.